today's video, I'm gonna show you a drape over a lehenga or cancan skirt. I think this is perfect for a pre-wedding event for the bride or even an engagement party. It's super romantic and feminine, and let's get started. So this is a 6-yard sari, and I'm gonna take the end and take the corner. So this is the shorter end. I'm just gonna take the corner that I would normally put over my shoulder anyway in a nivy drape, and I'm just gonna gather it like that. And you'll see that it comes with like these really nice pleats. So you just wanna gather the corner, and then if you are using a very lightweight sari like I am, just gather a few pleats so that it gives you some weight to hold on to, and then pin it onto your left shoulder. And then you wanna take the rest of the sari and start pleating. You can check out my video on pleating, on how I pleat. And then for this drape, I like it to kind of hang a little bit, so I'm not gonna pleat right to where it meets the chest pleats. So I think that's a good amount of hanging space, and then just let go of, I would say, the first 2 pleats, so maybe like a foot of fabric, and then tuck this in to the center. And then take the end, and again, pleat it down the edge. And then take that, tuck it into the back as well. So you could leave it like this, but I feel like for this drape, to give it some structure, a belt would be really nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this drape. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in a future video.